Chevy Suburban. Look at this. This machine is a beautiful machine. Chevy has kind of come a long ways. They're kind of the leaders of it. If you have a Chevy and you live in the city of Huntington Beach and you need help, you call Francisco. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. There's a little bit of history behind this Suburbans. Suburban came around. I'm going to walk with me. See if you can stay up with me, young man. Suburban's been around since the 60s that I know of. I'm going to show you a 1965 Chevy Suburban. And from 65 it evolved. In 1991, they had the seat, the third seat, your legs used to be up in the air. In 92, they came up and they stretched them. In 92, they had problems with the transmission. They were really good. So Chevy Suburban is one of the best towing vehicles. Look at this beauty. This is a 1965. The gentleman owns two of them. He owns a 65 and a 66. Look at the difference. This Chevy GM was ahead of their time. They were building vehicles. They've always been kind of the leaders of the SUV. You have a Suburban, you have a Chevy, you have a Cadillac that needs help. Call Francisco. Francisco's Automotive. I specialize in electrical and air conditioning. I have the proper equipment for the newer ones. Chevy has evolved. The electrical on all the cars has gone through the roof. They've got sensors on all four corners. I drove a Nissan that had a sensor on every corner. My God, anybody gets near you and the car starts screaming. Chevy's got a car that when you sit on it and you get too close to the back or you leave your blinker on too long, the seat vibrates. Scared the heck out of me the first time it happened. I was driving a customer's car, I was backing up, the seat shook on me. I thought I was having problems, internal problems, but it wasn't me, it was the car. Francisco's Automotive. Please call me with any of your questions, 714-375-2661. I'm located in the city of Huntington Beach. Give me a call with any of your questions. Thank you.